Want to simply and safely hook up your PTO in a matter of seconds? Try this.
PTO Link system is making it easier to connect PTO implements. It is the first universal PTO Quick Connect system designed to easily connect tractors to PTO-driven implements.
First, we install both sides of the PTO Link system to the implement and to the tractor. Then insert the 4 studs into the holes and give it a little half-inch twist. Complete the connection by inserting the plunger pin. The PTO Link is used for 6-blind rear 540 RPM PTOs only. Remember, the PTO Link Quick Connect system is not a PTO adapter. Never use the PTO Link system in conjunction with the PTO adapter. PTO Link is certified compliant with ASABI standards. The PTO Link system quickly connects the PTO of your Bobcat, John Deere, Kubota, Coyote, New Holland, Mahindra, Massey Ferguson, and other tractors rated up to 130 horsepower. The PTO Link system is a perfect complement to 3-point quick hitch systems, thereby maximizing ease of use for tractor owners connecting implements to tractors. And because the PTO Link system adds approximately 4.5 to 5 inches to the overall length of the driveline, the 4.5 to 5 inches added can be mostly offset by the concurrent use of a 3-point quick hitch system. This combined approach will sometimes eliminate the need to shorten the driveline. In other words, because these systems are always complementary products, every tractor owner stands to benefit from the combined ease of quick connecting to both the hitch and the PTO. The starter package will normally include 1 tractor plate and 1 implement plate. To maximize the benefit of the PTO Link system for tractor owners who have multiple implements, for every tractor, install 1 tractor female plate, and for every implement, install 1 implement male plate. As we all know, most first-time tractor owners are not used to some of the challenges associated with connecting implements to tractors.
I hate this. I got it on some. I just need to pull. This is too heavy.
Thank you for taking the time to familiarize yourself with the PTO Link system.